Hi, this is Kevin Flynn with Fortinet, and today we want to talk about the FortiGate line of consolidated security appliances. These are the remote, branch, and small office implementations of the FortiGate line: the FortiGate 30, FortiGate 50, FortiGate 60, FortiGate 80, FortiGate 110, and the FortiGate 200. But before we get started, let's talk a little bit about what we mean by consolidated security and the evolution of security technologies. It used to be that firewalls and security appliances had basic functionality. They perform firewalling, VPN, IPS, web filtering, and some application control. Now, as the security situation has changed, new functionality has to be added. And the devices at the edge of your network and in your branch and small offices have to have functionality, be able to apply in virtual domains, in virtual appliance scenarios, provide real-time threat updates, provide endpoint control, provide vulnerability management, anti-spam, wireless functionality, IPv6, WAN optimization, and be able to function in a voice environment. So the threat has changed, your devices have changed. The traditional means of handling security was to have lots of different boxes, each with separate and distinct functionalities. You had a box for web filtering, one for VPN, one for WAN acceleration, one for antivirus, etc. These were standalone, they weren't integrated, and it was really a mix of off-the-shelf appliances and applications. Total cost of ownership was higher, and they were difficult to deploy, manage, to use, and, in essence, much more difficult to make your system safe and your network secure. The Fortinet solution is to combine all of these things. This is real-time integrated security intelligence. There's ASIC accelerated performance to give you the throughputs that you need, leading to a lower total cost of ownership, and much easier management, much easier deployment, much easier use, and in essence making your systems more secure. Today we'll be talking about devices that are appropriate for branch offices, and small businesses. They'll be coming in both Wi-Fi and non-Wi-Fi deployments, and oftentimes are coupled with, in larger organizations, coupled with larger FortiGate devices at headquarter locations. So let's dive down deeper into the products. Let's start off with the FortiGate 30B. This comes in both Wi-Fi and non-Wi-Fi implementations. A 30 meg throughput on firewall, 5 meg on IPsec VPN, 5 meg on antivirus. Perfect for small businesses, perfect for branch office or small offices in mid to even large size organizations. Now it's important to keep in mind, FortiGate 30 has most of the functionality of other FortiGate models, but not all. The FortiGate 30 has full multi-threat inspection for firewalling, antivirus, IPS, anti-spam, anti-malware, web filtering, provides application control, IPsec VPNs, and data loss prevention. What it doesn't do, unlike other FortiGate models, is SSL inspection, WAN optimization, dynamic routing, virtual domains, VLAN support. So for small offices, or where multi-threat inspection is key, as well as IPsec VPNs, FortiGate 30 is the perfect device. Moving up the ladder a little bit, we got the FortiGate 50 series. Again, Wi-Fi and non-Wi-Fi implementations. The FortiGate 51B adds storage for WAN optimization. Both models have 3 LAN and 2 WAN interfaces, 50 meg throughput on the firewall, 19 on antivirus, 30 on IPS, 25,000 concurrent sessions, 2,000 new sessions per second, and 2,000 policies that can be deployed on the 50 series. Moving up the scale, we got the FortiGate 60 series. These come in both Wi-Fi and non-Wi-Fi versions. And in the Wi-Fi versions, there's a couple of different iterations. The Wi-Fi 60CM has an analog modem, and the 60CX has ADSL interfaces, both Annex A and Annex M. All have 5 LAN and 2 WAN interfaces. All have a gig of firewall throughput, 70 megs of IPsec VPNs, 20 meg of antivirus, 60 of IPS throughput, 80,000 concurrent firewall sessions, 3,000 new sessions per second, and 5,000 policies that can be applied. Next up is the 80C. This again has a couple of different iterations, Wi-Fi and non-Wi-Fi. The 80CM adds an analog modem. The Wi-Fi 81CM adds storage for WAN optimization. All have 6 LAN and 2 WAN interfaces, 350 meg firewall throughput, 100 meg IPS throughput, 100,000 concurrent sessions, and 5,000 new sessions per second, and 2,000 policies that can be applied. Then we have the 110C and 111C. The differences in 111C had 64 mega storage, 8 LAN, 2 WAN interfaces, 500 meg throughput on a firewall, 200 meg throughput on IPS, 400,000 concurrent sessions, 10,000 new sessions per second, and 4,000 policies. And rounding up this low end of Fortinet's line of FortiGate devices, we have the FortiGate 200B and the 200B PoE. The PoE stands for Power over Ethernet and can support up to 8 wireless access points. Both have 8 LAN and 8 WAN interfaces, 5 gig throughput on firewalls, 2.5 gig throughput on IPsec VPNs, 200 meg throughput on antivirus, 500 meg throughput on IPS, 500,000 concurrent sessions, 15,000 new sessions per second, and 6,000 policies. So a wide range of devices for a wide range of deployments. For more information, go visit Fortinet.com. And for more information on our social media network, we have information on Facebook, Twitter, as well as YouTube. Thanks again.